Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Preeti Rajani working here as functional consultant. So in today's video, we will see how to run the depreciation and how to roll back the depreciation in fixed asset Oracle Fusion. You can run the depreciation for entire book level. That means you cannot run the depreciation for a specific asset. While running the depreciation, there are two modes that system allows you. First one is draft mode. When you select calculate depreciation, the system will run the depreciation on draft mode. If there are any corrections, then you can make it, and after that, you can run the final depreciation. And the other one is final mode. When you select the close period, the system will run the depreciation on final mode and will automatically close the current period and open next period. No changes can be made after running the depreciation with final mode. So what is rollback depreciation? When you run the depreciation on draft mode and made corrections or change the asset financial information, then system will automatically roll back the depreciation charged on that asset. So you have to follow the following steps. First one is from asset bank. You can open the run depreciation window. Then you have to select the asset book and you have to click on calculate depreciation for draft mode and close period for final mode. Then click on submit. And for reviewing the asset depreciation, you can go to asset inquiry page. Now we will move to our application to see how it is practically done. Now go to asset workbench, click on navigator, click on asset inquiry. So these are the recent additions to fixed asset. I'm selecting the first one to show you whether the depreciation is charged or not on that asset. Here in the depreciation tab, you can see that there is no depreciation yet charged on this asset. Now, again go to asset workbench, click on asset here. For charging depreciation, you have to click on this depreciation infolet. You can see the period here coming as July 22. Now, you can see the assets that are under this period are 38. There are no completed retirement assets. And now if you will click on calculate depreciation, the system will run the depreciation on draft mode. That means even after running on the draft mode, you can change any information or you can say any financial information to this asset. And again, you have to run this depreciation. But if you will click on this close period, the system will run the depreciation on final mode and will close this period automatically. And after running the depreciation on final mode, you can see the period coming here will be August 22. Now I will click on calculate depreciation so that the depreciation will run on draft mode. You can see here the asset depreciation was submitted. Now again go to asset inquiry. Click on this asset. In the depreciation tab, now you can see here that after we run the depreciation on draft mode, the depreciation has been charged to this asset. You can see here now. If you want to roll back this depreciation, then go to asset inquiry page again. Click on asset. Go to task list. Here click on adjust asset. Select with the category. Select on this data and now click on change financial details. Now say I'm changing the life of this asset from 60 to 45. Now system will analyze that there has been some change to this asset and will roll back the depreciation automatically. Now click on submit. Click on done. Go to asset inquiry workbench. So this was the asset in which I have made changes. Now click on this asset and you can see that there is no depreciation because system has automatically rolled back the depreciation. So this was the concept of running the depreciation and rolling back the depreciation. Now click on done. Again go to asset workbench. Now if I'm okay with the depreciation charged on the assets and I don't want to make any changes to asset or I don't want to add any new asset, I can run the depreciation on final mode. So click on depreciation infinite. Now click on close period. The depreciation program will close the period and you can't reopen it. Do you want to continue? Click on yes. Now asset depreciation was submitted. Again go to asset workbench. Here you will see the system automatically taking the new period here. You can see August 22. So this is how you can perform the running depreciation and rolling back the depreciation. Thank you so much for watching the video.